Welcome to Trends Tech, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tools and technology. Join us as we explore curated collections of innovative tools for every project.
The Ryobi electric pressure washer delivers up to 1,800 pounds per square inch and 1.2 gallons per minute of water to spray away built-up dirt, grime, and other tough stains. It's great for cleaning off driveways, fences, decks and patios, window screens, outdoor furniture, and more. The machine comes with 2 nozzles, including a 15 degrees nozzle and a turbo nozzle for 50% faster cleaning. There's also a 20-foot non-marring high-pressure hose and an onboard detergent tank. The hose, nozzles, and sprayer are easily stored onboard a hand truck for easy transport. This electric heat gun features an LCD display, push-button controls, and 6 fan settings including a cool-down mode. Its 1,500-watt heating element puts out 5,100 BTUs with temperature settings from 125 degrees Fahrenheit to 1,300 degrees Fahrenheit. Weighing just 2 pounds, it feels comfortable while in use. It also includes a glass protector and flare attachment. We put the Wagner Ferno 700 heat gun through common real-world tests, scraping paint from an old door, bending some PVC and composite decking, shrink wrapping, and even making a couple of s'mores. The artful design, ease of use, and fantastic features make the Wagner Ferno 700 a top-notch choice. The Metabo HPT 36 volts multivolt 2-gallon cordless air compressor is a 36-volt, battery-operated air compressor that outputs a max 135 psi and 1.6 CFM at 90 psi. The green and black, milk crate-sized compressor can either be powered by a single 36-volt battery or a work all-day AC adapter when wall power is available. It's designed with a sturdy metal roll cage for added durability and equipped with a strong, oil-free, brushless motor that's nearly maintenance-free. It features a 1/4-inch brass industrial coupler, weighing less than 30 pounds with the battery it's lightweight and easy to haul. The Ryobi RS 290G Random Orbital Sander from Ryobi is a well-made, basic tool at an affordable price for occasional use. In that regard, you really can't go wrong. It's bare bones, which makes it perfect as a general DIYer tool to have around. The fact that it's corded rather than cordless may turn off some, but this means there's no need to splurge on expensive lithium-ion batteries. Getting to work and finishing up projects is easy thanks to a simple on-off switch located on the handle. The hook and loop system makes quick pad changes a breeze, and an onboard removable dust bag prevents any mess. The Multimax is a do-it-all oscillating tool that cuts, scrapes, sands, and grinds through nearly any DIY dream project. Gary Wentz, one of our editors, says it excels at making cuts that other tools can't. He used it to cut a notch in a floor joist where his reciprocating saw wouldn't fit between copper pipes. We also find it indispensable for finishing window cutouts and removing crumbling old grout lines. Every kit comes with an assortment of 30 goodies, including a Swiss-made wood and drywall cutting blade and hook and loop sanding pad holders. The Makita cordless chainsaw stands out against the competition thanks to its comparatively long running time and lightweight. The saw cut quickly and aggressively. It has a balanced feel and metal bucking spikes that protrude well beyond its housing. Bucking spikes poke slightly into the bark during the cut, giving you a solid fulcrum to tip the bar into the cut. This eases the work and makes it safer as well. Makita's tool-free chain tension adjustment, a feature available in 3 of our favorite edit-tested saws, is nice as well. The Zippo Axsaw is a bow saw, hatchet, and mallet in one. A 15-inch stainless steel saw blade can cut limbs up to 4 inches thick. It also features a hardened 5-inch, 420 alloy stainless steel axe head and a heavy-duty mallet capable of driving tent stakes in even the hardest of soils. The The durable polymer handle includes storage for multiple saw blades and a flip-over cam for self-adjusting tension. It's well made and carries a 1-year warranty on materials and craftsmanship. The Chicago Electric miter saw is an inexpensive gem and one of our favorite miter saws. It bevels left or right 45 degrees and crosscut boards up to 12 inches wide. While most miter saws cost upwards of $400, the Chicago Electric miter saw rings up at around half the price. Performance-wise, we found little difference between this miter saw and those listed for 2 times the price. It's the perfect purchase for new DIers or those interested in starting with woodworking. The DeWalt saw features a robust 15-ampere motor, a cast aluminum table, and a full-size 5/8-inch arbor that accepts standard 10-inch saw blades. The reliable, accurate rack and pinion fence system allows you to rip boards up to 3 inches thick and 32 1/2 inches wide. A best-in-class rip capacity, a 15-ampere motor easily cuts through all the lumber and wood products we could feed into it. But the highlight is the rack and pinion fence system. Its accuracy, durability, and ease of use make it ideal for any new homeowner or general contractor. The Works Nitro Switch Driver 2.0 is a battery-operated drill driver that features a pair of 1/4 inch hex drive rotating dual chucks. It's powered by a re-engineered brushless motor and ships with a 20-volt, 2-ampere-hour battery and charger. An intelligent digital interface lets you change torque settings and switch between drill or driver bits with a click of the keypad. It also features many standard facets like an LED work light and a variable speed trigger. The switch driver looks and feels well made and is surprisingly lightweight and compact in your hand. It comes with a small bag for storage and some bits. That's a wrap on today's tool showcase. Subscribe for more reviews. Like this video and let us know your favorite tool in the comments below.